Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, another great song from The Strokes. No, The Strokes, the great band from America, the Fruits of Conquest. That's the title of this track from the new album Reality Awaits. So let's go and check out that song very soon, First, link up here somewhere. Yes, that's the link to my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 streams ago. I need your help, guys. If you want to thank me for anything here on this channel, the best way is to go and check out my new channel and subscribe to that one. It's a completely different way than this, learning a new song, a full song, without me speaking, chords shown, a full playthrough, just follow along and learn it. Now, let's focus on this song. Now, we have a capo on third. Absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have like 8 chords. We have 2 main chords, and the rest is kind of the bridge. So, that's it. Let's start with the 2 main chords. We have the E minor first. It goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and third E. Okay, so that is the E minor. Then we have the A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So we're gonna alternate these 2 chords. We're gonna come to that soon. That's the main. Now, for handling the bridge, we're gonna move on with the next 6 chords. That's the E7, open E, second A, open D, first G, third B, and open E. Then we have the C at flat 9. Yes, a little bit of a different toy here. So it goes third A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. Then we have the B minor / E, so that means we're going to incorporate all strings for this chord. It's a bar to start with on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. But you also incorporate the open E string in the bass. So that is the reason for the name, the B minor / E. Then we have the standard E. It goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C minor, which is a bar chord. Again, 5 strings on the 3rd fret this time. And then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. And finally, we have the A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. There we have all the chords needed. So let's go into the main part here, the E minor. It's played like bass and top strings. So you need to separate bass strings from top strings. So together, I think it's a total of 16 actions, 16 downs. But we're gonna bounce between the bass and the top. So I'm gonna give you first how it sounds and then explain how to do it. So it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play bass 2 times, then top, then bass, then top, then bass 3 times, then top, then bass, then top, then bass, then top 2 times, and on these 2 times, you're gonna switch the E string from 3rd on the 1st down to the 2nd fret E string on the 2nd down. And then you're gonna finish off with 2 times on the bass. Okay, I know this sounds very okay, how I'm gonna manage to do this, but it's a feel thing, okay? You just know how it played, so I'm gonna give you a little bit speed up tempo so you understand how it sounds and how the feeling should be. So it goes like this. A little bit faster. Okay, so it's hard to count bass, tops, and all that good stuff. It's pretty much impossible. It's a feel thing, so you're gonna practice this and then gradually you're gonna know how to play it without thinking. It's just a kind of a normal thing to play. So that is the E minor part. Then we go into the A minor, and it follows the same principles, just a different grip and different notes. So you're gonna play like this. Okay, so it's again the same thing here. Bass 2 times, top, bass, top, bass 3 times, top, bass, top, bass, and then comes the 2 times on the top where you're gonna switch notes. You're gonna focus now on the 2nd fret G string, that note on the 1st down, and then you lift off that note to get the open on the 2nd down. So, and you finish off with 2 bass. And the A minor part goes like this. And then you go back to E minor and play the same. That is the main part. I'm gonna give you this slowly. It goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. Now, let's focus on the bridge. That starts about 2 minutes and 52 seconds in, and we're going to use now all the rest of the chords. So now you're going to play just 4 downs as one strumming round, you can say, or not really. To start with, it's like that. So what you're going to play now is the E7. You're going to play 16 downs, and I think in clusters of 4. That's just how I do it in my brain, but you focus on 16 downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's going on in my head, okay? So you're going to play that for E7. And then you switch up to that crazy C add chord, flat 9. And then you go back again. So you're going to play 2 times. So E7, 16, C add 16. E7, 16, C add 16. Okay? Then you're going to move on to that B minor / E and play 6. And then E10. So again, it makes up for 16 in total. That's the 16 is the number here. Okay? So B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay? So B minor / E and E10. So. And then you do the same for the C minor, 6 downs, and A10. And that is one chord progression. Now you go back and play that again. The B minor E, 6 downs, the E10. C minor, 6 downs, and the A10. And then you're going to finish off with the B minor / E, 16 downs again. The clusters of 4, that's what's going on in my head. And then C minor, 16. You go do that for 2 times again. So B minor E, 16, C minor, 16, twice. And that's the end of the bridge. Then you go back to the main and play that E minor and the A minor thing going on there. And that's it, my friends. Okay, so the Strokes, they did it again. Fruits of Conquest. Cool title, cool song. Give it a shot. Hope to see you soon. Play tune.